Home maintenance facts you may not know. Brought to you by APM. GFCI, or Grounded Fault Circuit Interrupter, outlets are standard equipment required by the National Electrical Code. Did you know? GFCI outlets are used as an electrical safeguard designed to interrupt, trip, and block the flow of unintended electrical current to grounded surfaces. For example, if a bare wire inside an appliance connected to a standard plug were to touch its metal housing, the housing would become energized. If you were to touch it and provide a path to the ground by standing barefoot or grabbing the kitchen faucet, you could experience a shock. A GFCI outlet would prevent this accident by interrupting the flow of electricity to the appliance. Another helpful reminder from your friends at APM. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/AyalaPM.
Created using Powtoon.